How to fix Instagram note feature not showing. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, go ahead and open App Store in your mobile device. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for Instagram. And once you search for it in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then simply go ahead and restart the app or device. Sometimes just restarting the Instagram or phone can fix minor glitches, so go ahead and close the app fully and then reopen it to check if the feature is now available. Now the next step would be to simply log out and then log back in again. Simply go ahead and log out of your Instagram account, wait for a few seconds and then log back in again. This can refresh your account and sometimes enable features that are not previously accessible. If it still does not help you, then go back to your home screen and then long press Instagram. Tap on remove app, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again. Once it is deleted from your device, make sure to reinstall the application from App Store, as reinstalling may trigger new features to show up. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.